Okay, now we're sharing. She's going to show us how to open up a Google Doc or Word document. Okay. Y'all watching? Watch. Watch, 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 watch. Click that. Uh-huh. And then download complete or show in folder. Show in folder. Okay. 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 Y'all got that? Try that. Everybody try that. Sydney, will you also try to open up the Word document? Do that? All right, so open it in Word, yeah, in the document in Word. Yep. Okay, so show in folder. Uh-huh. Open with editing for docs, sheets, and slides. Okay. Okay, y'all got that? Then you can actually do that one. Y'all, for all classes. Okay. Awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you.